Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting prerequisites out of the way so installation is smooth. Confirm your system meets requirements and sign into the Microsoft account you will use. Once done, choose between Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time Office license. This affects activation and updates. Make sure payment or license key is available before continuing, because activation is required immediately after install. You'll avoid interruptions in updates and syncing when you complete these initial steps now. You now download and launch the installer. Follow prompts deliberately. When the download completes, run the installer and allow system permissions so files can be written. This is why admin access helps. Once done, choose whether to install just Word or the whole Office suite. Selecting the suite includes Excel and PowerPoint. Make sure to enable auto-update if you want latest security patches. Allow the installer to finish, and restart your computer if prompted to ensure all components register correctly. You finish by activating Word so features and cloud saving work. Open Word, sign in with the same Microsoft account used for purchase or subscription, and accept license prompts. Activation links the app to your account. Once activated, customize theme, auto-save frequency, and default save location to speed workflow. If activation fails, check your internet connection and firewall. If needed, run the Office repair tool or re-enter the product key. One quick tip: signing out and back in often resolves sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.